So now I'm on my way to get myself tested for the coronavirus. Sunki! Hi everybody, it's Sunki here. Today I did not go to work because I am actually sick. I've already got sick leave and can't even see the doctor because I have got respiratory symptoms. So I just rang my doctor and he was nice. He said, okay, I don't normally do this, but I'll do it for you. I'll write you a med certificate. So thank you, doctor. I haven't asked your permission to whether or not I could disclose your name, but I know you know who you are. Do I even look sick? Actually, I still can laugh, huh? But yeah, I felt really unwell since yesterday, and so now I'm on my way to get myself tested.
You just got a bit of a runny nose, no problems with breathing, no underlying conditions that we should be concerned about. Cool. So you'll head up in a minute to get the testing done with the nurses. Results typically take about 2 to 4 days to come back at the moment. So they'll give you a phone call if you're positive to let you know what to do. If you're negative, you'll just get a text message.
Yeah.
You must be staying socially isolated until you get your result, okay? Do you need a certificate for work in the meantime?
No, that's okay.
All good?
I got it, yeah.
All right, any other questions?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Just open your mouth as wide as you can. Into your nose, just everything. Okay, very good, very good. Very, very good.
Hi everybody, so I've done my test and I'll get the results back probably in a few days time, and I'll let you guys know my results, and hopefully everything will be fine. Alright, now it's time to go back and sleep.